Welcome to our video tutorial for SOP Document Generator for Copilot4DevOps V6. In this video, we will be focusing on the functionality and how you can create documents using the tool. The SOP Document Generator in Copilot4DevOps help users in generating structured documents and guidelines. You can access the SOP document generated by simply clicking on the tile. Within this interface, you can input specific information about the document that you want to create. For instance, here, you can provide a document type or title. I would be generating a detailed design document. The SOP Document Generator also allows users to provide custom instructions to tailor the generated content. You can also leverage our text block feature to further customize the output. For more information on how to create your own textbook, please refer to our video tutorial on text block feature. To make this prompt more readable, you can also use the rewrite from function, which is going to make this more comprehensive. With Copilot4DevOps version 6, users will now have the ability to upload documents to provide additional context for the SOP Document Generator. Users can select multiple files and upload that into the system. Once the files are uploaded, they will start showing up within the interface. On the right-hand side, users can also bring in work items to set the context. With the help of Select Work Item, you can either fetch a query of work items as well as individual work items from the project. Users can also select the work item fields from the Fields drop-down menu, so the system is going to take into account the uploaded document, the provided prompt, along with any related work items to generate a more accurate and informed output. Users can now generate the document with the help of Generate with a Q&A, or they can simply generate it by clicking on this drop-down menu. Generate with QA will help us further customize the output. Now the system is analyzing the provided context, and shortly it's going to give us a question and answer list that will help us with the customization. Once the question list is rendered, you can pick and choose which questions you would like to consider while generating the output. You can also generate a more comprehensive list for the Q&A by clicking on See More. Now let's proceed with the generation. The system will now consider all the provided input to help us create a detailed design document using Copilot4DevOps version 6. This generated document will comprise of relevant data, wireframes as well as data flow diagrams, and now users can save it as a Word file or as a PDF. The saved Word document will comprise of all the relevant information along with the referenced work item, and you will also notice that a table of content was automatically generated for us. The SOP Document Generator is a powerful tool for improving efficiency and ensuring consistency in documentation across projects. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching.